Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a black bean and onion burger. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of brown rice cooked, 1 cup of walnuts, half a tablespoon of avocado oil, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of black beans, half of an onion, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Right, we are cooking the rice according to package directions, so I combined the rice and the water. We're bringing it to a boil, which it is now. So we're going to put the heat down to a simmer and cover it and cook that for 35 minutes. Next we are going to drain and rinse our beans. If your walnuts are already toasted, then those will be good to go. If they're not, then over a low heat, we are just going to put our walnuts in a pan and toast them for about 5 to 7 minutes. Usually you can kind of smell when they're done, but they might start looking a little bit more brown. Alright, the walnuts are toasted. Let's see, they're darker. You can tell by the smell, it smells good. So we are going to set this aside, and in the same pan then we are going to cook our onions. So about a half tablespoon of the avocado oil and the onions, and we'll cook these until they're translucent. Now that the onions are translucent, we are going to set those back aside in their bowl. In our food processor, we are going to combine our toasted walnuts and all the spices. So I have all the salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, chili powder, and that tablespoon of brown sugar. So with the food processor, I have the small bowl in there. So there's the smaller bowl and then the small blade. So we will process this all up until it's like a fine meal. Fine powder. And there we have it. So very nice and thin. One can of beans was exactly what we needed for this. Now we're going to put them in a large enough bowl that we can mix everything in together. The beans should be mashed, so I'll try a potato masher. Otherwise you can always do it with a fork also. Alright, we have that to kind of a burger pasty consistency. And now, like I said, we are just going to add all the rest of the ingredients and mix it all up. Alrighty, using that same pan we've been using, we will now form this mixture into some burger patties and cook them over a medium heat until they're heated through. The burgers are all finished. I made myself a pretty little sandwich here that I will be eating, but I did like this recipe. I like the consistency. The burgers did hold together while I was making them and cooking them. They didn't fall apart, so that was good. Happy about that. It's a good one that you can grill outside on the grill, or you can obviously make inside on the stove. It is getting warmer outside. Time for people to start being out there and grilling. Some people grill all year long. But in any case, let's give this one a taste. But I want to taste what the actual just burger tastes like instead of with all the goodies on top too. So I've had bean burgers from the store, frozen section. I don't think I've had one. I haven't made my own yet, put it that way. That's good. It's very tasty. I have that black bean taste. Well, spices. I was hoping it wasn't going to be too spicy. I don't care for spicy food. And the cumin and chili powder in there. I thought, well, this is good. This is very tasty. I like that. Good meal. And then combine it with the other stuff I have. You know, I'm putting it on a bun, some lettuce, ketchup, onion, tomato. Oh, that's going to be good. I'm going to enjoy this. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know if you guys have made your own black bean type burgers at home, or what your favorite type is. If you buy them from the store, if you go out to the restaurants, which one has your favorite type of, like a vegetarian burger. Let me know. I am going to go enjoy my lunch now. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Recording anyways. Take one wasn't even recorded, so there you go. Oh. The burgers are all finished. I made myself a pretty little sandwich here that I will be eating. The weather is getting warmer outside. People are starting to grill out. Some people grill all year long. all year long. So this would be a good recipe for that. I was pleased that the consistency, the burgers held together. They didn't break apart. They cooked well in a pan on the stove. So obviously you can cook them that way too. I think that's it. Good thing I planned this all out, right? Let's go for take 3.